So here is the entrance to my closet, and then you go in, you turn left, and there's my clothes. As you can see, all the pants and stuff are up there, and believe it or not, it was organized when I first moved in like a year and a half ago, but it's a disaster, and I just keep on buying clothes. And yeah, so here's outfits and stuff, and then all my shirts and stuff are hung up. We're gonna tackle the pants and stuff, and I'm gonna get rid of a lot, hopefully. And yeah, and the lighting's horrible, so I'm gonna be like bringing clothes out to go through on my bed. So if you wanna like come along on this journey, so hopefully you can see me. I have you on like a tripod. It's like a huge one. This is what I have my like I bought a telescope store, and yeah, so that's what it's on. I have my trash bag just because I am going to be donating. I'm hoping a lot of these clothes, I mean a lot of them are new, so we'll see. But I'll try not to make this as boring. I'll try not to make this boring. And I'm sorry if you hear the air conditioner and you see like it blowing. It's Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 84 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 71 degrees.
And so it's 84 degrees. Alexa, what's the humidity?
Currently, the humidity is 61%.
Yeah, so it's hot and I'm not turning the air off for it. But anyways, we're just gonna get started. I'm gonna keep these because I just got these. These are those tie-dye like shorts for the house. We got some leggings that I'm keeping because I just got these not too long ago. They're floral, and I live in leggings when it's not super duper hot. I have these leggings that are cat print, and keeping those because I love them. Some more PJ shorts. If you notice, I like to have PJ shorts because I get hot very easily, and being the middle apartment, meaning we have an apartment above me, or we have an apartment above us and we have an apartment below us. We're the middle apartment, so heat kind of like gets trapped in the middle. So these are cute. Walmart. You're gonna find that like almost all of my wardrobe is Walmart because they have cute stuff. They're affordable, and yeah. So these are some army printed ones. Keeping. I got these from my aunt, and like she's taken them in and all that. I don't know, I just love these. These are comfy. They have like little globes on them, and these are from a store called Catherine's. So I always wear these. Well, I wear these more when it's cold out and stuff. So keeping them. Definitely keeping these because I got these on clearance one time. They have little coffee cups on them. They say Java latte coffee. Cute. These also are sleep shorts. And while I am like going through this, I am putting them in piles like long pants, shorts, etc. Like I said, when we first moved in, I had everything organized, but over the like this past year and a half, it just, I have been buying a lot, and I need to like stop. But like when I see clearance, I grab it because like it's a good deal. These are black leggings, and they say love. They're supposed to be like a not holographic, but they're supposed to be like rainbow colored. But because I wash them in hot water and then I also dry them in hot air, they kind of faded, which is fine for me. I don't really care because whatever. But if I wanted to, I could hang dry them, but then they don't get soft. So These are like a capri length, so I'm definitely keeping these because I can wear the capri ones all year long. Even in winter, sometimes I wear capri length just because some winter days are not cold. And then I just bought these. I had these in a haul video, so I'm keeping them. These are the capri length ones as well. They're leggings. Yeah, so you will find that almost, well, actually 100% of my wardrobe is leggings and sweatpants and easily like comfortable clothes, just for the mere fact that I don't like jeans anymore, like just because I've gained so much weight with being with Tommy. And I'm not blaming him, but like when you're in a relationship, you like when you're in a healthy, like comfortable relationship, you just like you gain weight. So there's really nothing I can say about that. Here's a black pair of plain capri leggings, and I'm keeping them. It seems like I'm keeping a lot of these, but yeah. So these are shorts. They're just like a green olive color, kind of like a gray. Well, they're like gray green olive color. I'm pretty sure I got these on clearance as well. They're sleep shorts, and you'll also find that I have a lot of pajama stuff, because when I was working, well, when I was getting paid to take care of my father-in-law, I really didn't have to dress up or anything. Like, I could just wear pajamas all day if I wanted to, or I just like being comfy. So yeah, and hopefully this air is not like making it too hard to hear me, but like I said, it's too hot to turn it off. And this is like the only space, this is like the only space where there's like nice lighting. So these say love all over them, and they have hearts, and these are full length ankle leggings. Keeping them. These are kind of like a watercolor pastel color leggings. They are capri length, and I'm keeping those. My little Eeyore ones, they have a shirt to them, but the shirt's kind of like too small even for me to wear at home that I feel comfortable with. So I'm keeping the shorts. And then of course I got my Christmas leggings that have presents and Christmas trees all over them. These are full length. I'm definitely keeping them because I like to wear printed leggings during like holidays and stuff, or like the whole month of holidays. These are one of my favorite pairs of shorts. They have like little skulls and flowers all over them, and they're like neon colors. And the best part is they have pockets. Walmart. And then for some reason Tommy has a pair of his shorts in my section. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep these just because they're his. I don't know how they got on my side, but. And then last, for right now, like until I get another batch, I have these cute little like sweatpants shorts, and they have the rainbow. And I remember getting these last year during like the beginning of June, and I got them for Pride Month, and they're really comfy. And yeah, so I can either wear them out, which I really don't because they're kind of short on me, or I wear them for pajamas. Or if this is boring you, you can always click out or whatever. I got these shorts. They have like a little cactus, little cacti on them, and they say love. Sleep shorts. They feel like a terry cloth, kind of like a towel material. There's these, which are like neon swirls with black. These are full length capri pants. Walmart, like always. I think it's kind of redundant for me to say Walmart anymore, just because that's where I like to shop for clothes, which I never showed off. These are so cute. The only thing I don't like about them is they're high-waisted, and I don't like high-waisted anything because I really don't like anything on my stomach. But I still make them work. They just have skulls and like diamonds and stuff. So I really enjoy. And these are like the soft material. I think these are the regular leggings that are like this, which is like a normal material. And then they have like ones that are like super soft, and these are the super soft ones. I really like those two. These are super booty shorts. These are like super short on me. They're just like pink shorts with the white trim. They kind of remind me of the shorts from like the 70s and 80s. Another full-length pair of leggings. These are, and they have floral print, and then these are cool because they have like the crisscross cutouts. So I don't know, I really like them. So I just wanted to show you guys these sweatpants that I've had for like 14 years. I got them from my tech school that I went to for horticulture, which I did not want to go for horticulture. I wanted to go for cosmetology, but my middle school messed that up, so I was placed in horticulture, which is dealing with plants and whatever. I did learn quite a bit, but as you can see, the waistband is like completely trashed just because I wore the ever-living crap out of these. They have my school's name on the sides. They have pockets, and then you can tell I wore the crap out of them because they have like holes. I am gonna keep these, however, just because it's a sentimental thing. I won't wear them because obviously they're holy and I can't fix them, but yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that. And I'm probably gonna end up getting rid of these. I really like these, but I'm not gonna fit into them, and I don't know anybody who will because my mom's tiny, my sister has lost a lot of weight. But yeah, these are just like workout shorts, but they like are super tight on me, so I don't want to keep stuff just on the off chance I'm going to lose weight. So I'm going to donate these to someone who can use them. So that's the first thing I'm donating. So hopefully you can see that, but right here is my pile of long pants and capris so far. And then here's my pile of shorts and so on. I do have shorts, they're just, a lot of them are pretty short that I can't wear them out. So here's a pair of night like fleece pants. They're super soft. They're Harley Quinn, of course. And I find that whenever I see Harley Quinn merchandise at Walmart, I pick it up because you can't ever see, well, you don't ever see it there very often. And Harley Quinn is my favorite like villain from Batman. And then of course I got my Harry Potter sleep pants. These are Gryffindor. They're the plaid. I really like plaid. They're super soft and super comfy. And I shorts that I think I got on clearance. Told you guys I have a lot of sleep shorts because I like being comfy and I like my pajamas. These are from Christmas. They look like little snowflakes all over. And they're the long. I'm definitely finding clothes that I have not like seen in a very long time, and that's actually bad because that means that I have so many clothes that like they're not getting worn. But here's another pair of leggings that here's another thing I'm getting rid of. These are kind of like camel colored leggings. I'm never gonna wear them. I don't know where one of my family members probably gave them to me. I'm never gonna wear them. I was gonna do like a bleach tie-dye on them, but they're not dark enough. And even if I do that, I'm not gonna wear them. So I'm not gonna keep them around. So they're gonna get donated. Pair of basketball shorts. I do wear shorts. It's just they have to be either basketball shorts or like to my knee for me to feel comfortable going out in. Now, a couple years ago I wouldn't have cared, but since I gained a little bit of weight, I'm a little more self-conscious. These are the softest sweatpants ever. I believe these are actually sleep pants, but I got them from Walmart. I think they were on sale for like $5 like last year or something. And they're just so freaking soft. I love them. And this is the brand Climate Right by Cuddly Duds. I don't know, it was a brand that Walmart had. It is not there anymore, I don't believe. But anyways, love it. And of course Jade is all up in my business. Aren't you, little girl? Very nice. They're just very long on me. They fit me, but they're just very long because I have short legs, as you can see. So I have been meaning to hem them, but I just never got a chance to. Will I ever? I don't know. And they just say love, sleep, dream. They're sleep pants. And here's those tie-dye ones. I said it was lime green in the video, but they're actually yellow, so it's like a teal and like a bright yellow. So if that makes any difference, but these are just capris. I got these around Christmas time one year, like after Black Friday. They're just Batman sleep pants for $1 or $2 or $3, I don't know. These are like joggers. They're super thin, so like these are perfect for like fall going into winter. I still wear them in winter though because I'm crazy, but they just have like a velvet or fake velvet side. These are cute. These, oh yeah, I did buy these. I think I got them for like $1. I love finding clothes for $1. And then I love these ones. These are just red and black plaid. Kind of makes me feel like a rebel. Yeah. And I usually get these for like $4.44 unless they're the holiday ones, which I usually get after the holiday, and they're usually $1. So $1 leggings you can't beat. So this is what after looks like. I kind of forgot to start filming again when I was like folding my clothes. So my sleep shorts and regular shorts are here, and then capri leggings are there, and then there's long capris and then sleep pants and etc. I'm happy with it for right now. Yeah, so hope this was enjoyable. Now I have all this stuff to go through in there, so